Hey guys, it's JC Chandler back again. I hope everyone is doing well and I hope you've been creating something amazing. Coming on to let you guys know two things. One, I've selected the subscriber giveaway winner and she has been contacted, and her items will be on the way shortly. And I want to thank every single one of you who commented between the 2 weeks that I mentioned. I think it was from December 1st through the 12th. So thank you very much for all of your comments and your sharing and all of your feedback, and for being a subscriber, for clicking play, all of it. It's been a wonderful and an amazing year, and I can't wait for 2026. I hope you guys are looking forward to it too. So that was number one. Number two is all of this yumminess right here. So what I have here, I was packing up an order, and this was a large blanks order, and I was very grateful. So what I did was I was pulling out some other stuff from the necklaces that I've created. If you're part of my Facebook following, you've seen at least two new necklace blanks that I have completed, and I have shared the necklace blanks as well. But if you haven't, comment below and I will make sure that you get your eyes on them because they are amazing. A couple of the pieces that you see here are during the time that I cut the blanks for my necklaces, and I've put together a little package, five of them to be exact, and each one has 6 pairs of earrings. Some have fabric, some have just stain, and some have nothing on it. So I just wanted to offer these to you guys if it's something that you wanted to participate in, or put into your stash. Most of the work is done for you. And I'm going to let them go at the price of what I sell my 10-piece blanks for. You're going to get 12 pieces here, and the work is done. So do the math. My 12-piece, let me see, my 10-piece blanks go for, I think they're $12 plus shipping. So each set of 6 here is going to be $12 for you. All right, I'm going to have the link below so that you can select which group you would like, or which groups you would like. There's only one group right now of each, so take a look, a real careful look, and see if any of them interest you. I am working on having packs of 10 for fabric covered blanks. And if you want to see what fabrics I have available, they're on my website. And I'm just going to do random shapes. I was going to do a survey, but that's going to be a lot of work, and I'm not sure that that's going to work out, but I still haven't said no to it. So let me just show you what you got here, okay? All of the fabric covered ones are from a projects that I just recently did. So each group of 6 will be $12, and I will have a link below. So you have an upside down or inverted, kind of a question mark shape. This is one of my newest shapes. This is one of my newest shapes. Another new one, another new one, and another new one here. So you got that one, and then you've got one. This is one that I've offered before, and it was a popular one when I did take it to the market and have it finished. It was really nice. And you've got this is the one I did. This one during one of our stain sessions, showing you how to stain with paint. And then this one I did showing you how to stain with ink. So these are from various projects that we've worked on via video, okay? These have not been stained. So if you see anything you like, let me know. What you'll do is you'll go click on the link below, and I will have one picture with all of them, and you just select It'll be a drop down, and you select 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, which group you want, and I will get them nicely packaged for you and send them your way. All right, that's all I have right now, and I am hoping that you guys are planning to have some fun with your families and eat some good food and maybe get in that studio and create something amazing. And whatever you do, just be safe and be happy. And I will see you guys on the other side of the holidays. But you know, I'll be popping in, throwing some videos out there so y'all can check in and let me know what you're making. All right, so either group 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or all. These are $12 each, and they are almost finished. You won't have much work to do. All right, so just let me know which one, guys, and go be amazing. I'll see you soon. Bye.